Hello, Eagles family. It's Mother Eagle here. Well, an Eagle member left a question on the Facebook page under self-reliance, and they were asking, how do we teach our kids to be self-reliant? And my observation with kids is they learn by seeing. Mostly you don't have to tell them much, it's by your action. So you as the adult act and do things in a self-reliant manner, take empowering actions, forget the blame game. And the more you take actions that are empowering, the kids will naturally learn to do that. You don't even have to try and convince them that they are self-reliant. If they see you doing something, they'll naturally copy and start doing the same thing. And another thing that works is affirmations. Affirm to the kids all the time, a reminder that that they they can do all things. Supposing they bring back a math paper and they've failed, and maybe they are thinking they are bad at mathematics, you can always remind them, no, all things are possible. Greater is He that is in you than all the things in the world. You were born to win. You don't need permission to be great. So you continue affirming to them that they can do things, so they can try again. Within no time, they'll start taking these affirmations and saying them to themselves, or after a while, then they'll start acting like the affirmations that you keep telling them, because words are so powerful and we need to own these words. These affirmations are not only for kids. We should be using them as adults, reminding yourself all the time, you can do all things. Greater is He that is in you than all the evil in the world. You were born to win. You are an eagle ready for flight, So keep telling yourselves and affirming to the kids, and the kids will get it. They are smarter than we think. And before you know it, they'll be self-reliant in all their actions, because self-reliance is an inner game. It's a heart game. You see, so the more we learn to connect with what's inside us and express it outside, I think the better for us. Well, I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. This is Mother Eagle. Bye.